Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss the impact of artificial intelligence on digital marketing and how it can benefit small businesses. As a small business owner, you know how important it is to reach your target audience and create engaging content. AI is here to make this process easier and more efficient than ever before. AI tools can help small businesses analyze large amounts of data and gain valuable insights into their audience behavior. This information can be used to optimize marketing efforts and improve conversion rates. For example, an AI-powered email marketing campaign can be sent to subscribers based on their previous behavior and interests. Another benefit of AI in digital marketing is its ability to help small businesses personalize their communication with customers. AI-powered chatbots can provide instant assistance and answer customer questions, resulting in increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Social media is another powerful platform for small businesses to reach their audience. AI can help small businesses analyze the content they create and determine which posts resonate with their audience. This can help them optimize their content and target specific demographics more effectively. Finally, AI can also help small businesses measure the success of their marketing efforts. By using data analytics tools, businesses can track their performance and identify areas where they can make improvements. In conclusion, AI has the potential to revolutionize digital marketing for small businesses. By leveraging AI tools, businesses can gain valuable insights into their audience behavior, personalize their communication, and measure the success of their marketing efforts. This can help small businesses stand out from the competition and achieve their marketing goals. So, let's embrace the power of AI and unlock the full potential of digital marketing for our small businesses. Thank you for your time watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will help me to create this type of content for you all.